Hey everyone, I made it into TJ Maxx, and as soon as I come in, $29.99 Steve Madden. So we have it in the tan brown. What do you guys think on the tan? I wish they would have it like in a hot pink. That'd be cool. Madden Girl. Okay, this one is 20. It's actually really heavy. I feel like somebody stuffed it with something. You do get a coin pouch, thick strap. And $29.99. I know we might have seen this one by Jessica. And Dune London, like a little mini one for 30. And Klein in the green at $29.99. Little coin pouch. More Anne Klein. That's $29.99 by Tommy Bahama. Okay, Nanette Lepore. Look at this, Patricia Nash. I love this green color. It is $70. $70. And all these right here, looks like they're going to be Jessica. And $29.99 double zipper. Then you get the large one. Let me find out. That is $35. Then a mint green Steve Madden 9 West will be $25. Okay, this one looks like that backpack we've seen, the green one. That's more of a shoulder bag. A zipper on the side, button closure. Makes this one is 20. NYC retails for 40. Oh, there's a Jessica backpack. Okay, but I like the feel of this one. I feel like this is everything right now in handbags. Nothing too exciting in this location. I feel like more Anne Klein here than anywhere else I go to. That's 20. 40, and then BB 18. $29.99. Will you pay $30 for this? I don't know if I would. That's 100 for Michael Kors. More Nanette right here, and then the little mini bow one. $8. Look at the pearls on these. More butterflies today. Okay, this one's new for $8. Look at the butterfly. Animal print, little mini ones. Oh, this location has a doggy. Something look funny. You want checkered hair clips. And this one, they're like half big ones. Those are kind of cool too. Here's a cat one. These are so funny. I did find some Vans. These are $25, a little floral print. And this one too. New Balance are $39.99, so $40. Only the green. These are $25, and that is by Dolce Vita. Okay, look at this guy right here by Nautica for $29.99. He's so funny. I've never seen this. Look, he even has legs too. Oh, I found a Stitch salt and pepper shaker. This one's $13. The mint bowls by Martha. Okay, looks like you get 2 large ones. Oh, no price on them. Strawberry Street is 10. They do have some really nice dishes. I will say, ooh, look at that blue. 10. Those are 10.
Look at these. Like geometric glasses.
Yeah. Okay, I found one Hello Kitty. That's $5.99. Everyday Terror. See, we've been finding this a lot. Oh, there's that. Doo, 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 the horn. Okay, here's some makeup mixed in here. Let's see, $3.99. We have Aladdin, the Jasmine, the Bat Signal. My husband's, you know, again looking for the Star Trek one. Can't find it. You're never gonna find it.
Yeah, no tricorder.
$5. Oh, those are kind of cute. That butterfly print, I like that. It's a cute little box too. See, Charlie Brown again at the bottom. They're like scuffing. They fighting where they didn't play football. The football. Oh, he's like the football. Oh my gosh. How has your guys' week been or day? I'm so busy. These next 2 weeks are gonna be crazy. And I'm constantly in the same store because I have to be for a reason. And I'm like, man, let's look for things we haven't seen yet. $4. It's gonna get crazy over here. And we have state testing, which I have to drive to. And just other stuff. Okay. Oh, look at this one. Just give me a little open space and something I can dance to. Yeah, dance. Dancing's good for the soul. Go down here and dig a little bit. I think that's a journal. Or a notebook, you know. And these look like frames over here, okay. The picture frames. Large lemon squeeze. Pineapple dream. Passion flower and birthday cake. Shabby chic. Oh, here's a Martha butterfly garden. $13. We had the moon and stars, a little floor one. More mushroom. This is gonna be, it looks like a mushroom diffuser, which is kind of cool because I don't think I've ever seen that. Have you guys been hearing what they're saying about March 31st, like a school walkout? I honestly don't know what that's about, but I've been reading it everywhere. You know, my one's in college, so that's different. My other kid, she's like homeschooled high school, so I don't know. I've been reading it everywhere. They're walking out. I know a lot of teachers are quitting. I am a train. Look at this one, which is kind of sad to see teachers quit. And you see why online. A lot of them are saying disrespect from the classroom. Really sad. Like this, I saw that one where that old lady, she quit because they were like laughing at her or something. And another teacher I know, her stuff keeps getting stolen and she's just tired of it. It's way down here. They have them like way down here at the bottom. You gotta get your butt workout on and your squats. Oh, that's cute. I love you like no other. You are my happy. Oh, that's so cute. There's a little orange puzzle. Different. Bluey. Cocomelon. I feel like it's mainly little girl stuff right now. A lot of spring dresses, overalls. Yeah, girls, boys is over there. Let's walk over there. It's all kind of like repeat. Oh, look at this cute one. Those are pajamas for eat. That's cute. That's $9. Sweetest little girl. Sure. Okay, for little boys, I see, you know, like dinos, hot dogs, like sleepwear for little babies. Little dinosaur one. It's like a romper. Camo overalls. That's 13. You get the shirt and overalls. That's kind of cute. Some dresses in this location, $40. It is sleeveless, kind of a little bit of ruffly, by Julia Jordan. Ooh, look at this pink one. It's really nice. $50 by Shelly Segal, I want to say. Yeah, Shelly Segal Laundry. That's cute. And 40 here. Yes, everything kind of like mixed in. Some greens. This one will be 40. And like this yellow one. I like the sleeves on it. This one's 50, $49.99. $40 for this blue one, no sleeve. It does have a little rufflage on top. Let me walk around. This could be, you know, if you're on vacation or swim department, even a festival. Definitely festival vibes. Well, I should buy this.
You should. And you should.
40, because I'm going to a 70s theme. Let's see, this one is $59.99. I don't know. I don't like the colors, kind of a little dull for me. Oh, look at that. I look at it, but I know. I feel weird in dresses, you guys. $59.99 is like when I put it on, I feel like it's not me. Like I think it's cute. I'm like, oh, it's not me.
Trust me, it's you. You just don't want it to be.
Oh, maybe I'm too much of a tomboy in that department. I don't know. Okay. Look at this one. Oh, these are the shorts. Okay, we've seen this. Looks like a cute dress, right? And $25. I like this one. It does have the cut right here, buttons. It is nice and flowy. Ooh, let me pull this one down. This is different. It looks like the decor we see at Home Goods, you know, like the plates. Look. Well, then we have deer mixed in here. So it's a little different, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here's a cute cherry one for $17. That's cute. Put a little white t-shirt underneath it, like a baby doll, bringing it back to like early 90s. And $40. Check this one out. Okay. So buttons right here. If you like the flowy pant, these are $17 and $30. Some more flowy pants. See, this is like, I'll wear this in the summertime. It's just so hot here. Loose clothing. Anything sticking to me, I'm like, oh God, get it off me. That's a cute skirt. It's a long one. Kind of reminds me a little bit, you know, of the 90s, of course, and Phoebe. I've been watching like the Friends reruns, you know, all the time on TV. She always had like these cute long skirts, right? And her dresses. These are pants for $20. It's another flowy one. They just had the pant. I do like the pant version though. $20. Okay, this one ties. I like how they're thick and flowy. Another skirt. I'm guessing each location is different. The lady over there just said they can't hold jewelry, and in a different location they can. I think only for like 24 hours. That's $20. It's another wide leg pant. This one's $20. These pants Is this 70 vibes, you guys? Well, yeah, maybe. Or some type of early or late 70s. But I would have to wear flats. I don't want to wear sandals because it's going to be on grass. So, you know, TJ Maxx does have plus size. I get asked a lot. It's been a while since I actually looked in plus size. Just, again, everyone's style is different. And then when I show it, it's just like, you get crapped on when you're showing the store. Like, I could help it, you know? 17, but I'll still show it. But I feel like I would just do music or something. Oh, look at that one. 17 by Zach and Rachel. So this is plus size. Here goes to 3X in TJ Maxx. I want to say this location has quite a bit more. Marshall's plus size is actually quite tiny. That's 15. 25. A lot of, like, you know, flowy tops. Oh, this one's really different for 20. I'm glad to see new patterns because normally we find this one. Even in Burlington, we see a lot of this pattern. So it looks like there's new different ones, which is kind of cool. Zebra print, and then we have your whites. Go over here. Oh, we just saw that. Okay, they have Wednesday here. She's 10. Okay, these are cute. And they're only extra small. Okay. Not my size. I like this. Is a fun print. I would wear this even if I wasn't going anywhere. Like this stripe one too. This one's kind of heavy though. How much are these? 15. Oh, look at that skirt. These are the cardigans. We've seen those. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get on out of here. I have to take off. Look, I'm very sleepy. That's kind of cute. Oh, it looks like some new children clothing. Look, it's clearance right here. This one is 20 from 25. Has some shimmer in it. I like how the sleeves are loose, like a little balloon like that. Those are kind of my favorite. Have a polka dot. 16 from 20. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. It's a blue one. They're simple work outfits, I think.